Your Honor.
Is it on, Ms. Edwards? Ms. Edwards?
Yes, Your Honor. State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Isaiah F. Bright is presiding. While court is in session, please no drinking, eating, sleeping, or smoking. Gentlemen, remove your hats. Please adhere to all courtroom decorum at all times. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Morning.
This is case number U11605413. Leonard Trammell, or Trammell, Trammell. This is the arraignment on the bench warrant scheduled for today. Counsel, your appearance and have Mr. and your client enter his appearance, please.
I understand. Your Honor, good morning. Paul Hughes appearing as House Counsel P36421. Sir, could you state your full name?
Leonard Trammell.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, we've had an opportunity to talk about this matter. He wants to set aside the warrant, enter a plea of not guilty.
Court will enter a plea of not guilty for arraignment. Anything further, counsel?
No.
Excuse me, Judge.
Wait a minute. Hold on, sir. Counsel,
Yes.
what does he wish to do? Get a pretrial date or trial date? Or
We could send him right to trial. That'd be great, because there's no reduced offer right now.
okay,
And it probably will remain that way.
Mr. Trammell,
Yeah.
there was no offer from the assistant corporation counsel.
Yeah, because I really don't know what's going on because
Well, sir, hold on, sir. Hold on. We can't get into the facts of the case at all. I can enter a plea of not guilty. I've had the warrant, and you can get a trial date. And at that time, you can proceed to trial on the charge of, what was the charge again? I have to look again. Remaining on property without authority. That is the charge. So, let's see. Let me pull up. Okay, being more specific, the charge is entering a vacant building and removing contents without authorization. And this was alleged to have occurred on, I gotta give me a date here. Let's see. November, it's very old tickets, November 22nd, 2013.
yes.
Okay, so you have a right to a trial, sir. This is what this matter has been presented to the court by the prosecutor. And so you have a right to a trial. So I will continue your plea of not guilty and set a trial date. And at that time, the prosecutor has to proceed on the case in terms of presenting their witnesses and evidence. And then that will be your day to appear for that trial. You understand that?
Yes. I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Far as like, it's so old because I just got out of prison. When I caught that case, they haven't even brought it up.
Well, sir, that again is it's still open. So
Okay.
that's why it must have been a warrant out. And so that's why you've been arraigned on the warrant. I've set aside the warrant and we'll set you a trial date.
Okay. So it's no deal like on the table now?
That is what your attorney has indicated, Mr. Hughes has indicated that the prosecutor did not make an offer. Did you speak with the corporation counsel, Mr.
Uh,
Hughes?
I did, Your Honor, but here, this is a 2013 ticket. I believe that it's proper to proceed with a trial date. The officer, in my humble opinion, it may not be available. And Mr. Trammell has indicated to me he just wants to get over with. Well, that's not the basis of that's not a reason that I could advise him.
No, I understand that, Mr. Hughes. I'm asking you, did you speak at all with the corporation counsel regarding his matter, whatever he indicated? He
No.
started to indicate something about he had been in prison, etc. So my question is, have you asked or spoken?
I have not talked to him. All I got was the slip that says no reduced plea.
Well, you know what? I will have the court clerk call the prosecutor, and you can speak again with them regarding this matter and see if they will make any other offer regarding this.
That'd be fine.
Okay, Mr. Mr. Trammell, just put yourself on mute. It may take a while, but
Okay.
since he's going to talk with the city attorney. Okay. All right then.
Thank you.
All right. Well, let us know when. Well, let Mr. Hughes know when he appears. You can put yourself on mute, Mr. Trammell.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
I just called him, Your Honor.
Who else do you have, Mr. Hughes? You said you had Mr. Turner.
I have. Yes.
Wait a minute. Hold on a second. You said you had did you have a Marquetta Adams? Marquetta, last name Adams.
Yes, I do.
And Miss Adams, are you on the?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I see you. I'm going to put you all in a room so you can discuss your matter with Mr. Hughes. Today is the trial date, and we do have the officer. Is the officer present? Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who are you? Could you identify you?
Yes, ma'am. Lieutenant Christopher Cole, badge L1, Detroit Police Department, ma'am, for Miss Adams.
Okay, now there's also another two that's set for trial, Miss Edwards. Court clerk, Madam Clerk. Madam Clerk.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did someone check in on Miss Adams SP 107966621 counts 1 and 2? That's written by a different officer.
I think it was the only officer that checked in for that case, Your Honor.
Okay, but the other two are set for trial as well. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay.
In 1 second.
Pardon me?
The plea officer is going to take care of those tickets one way or the other.
Okay, well, let me put you in the breakout room with Miss Adams.
Okay.
So Miss Adams, once you see the okay, hold on a second. Okay, Miss Adams, you should be able to join.
I just sent you Ms. Adams' paperwork. Your Honor, I just sent you Ms. Adams' paperwork.
Thank you.